Having trouble finding the Spectrum TV app on your Roku? The most common reason is your Roku's region settings. Spectrum's app is only available in the United States due to licensing agreements. If your Roku is set to a different country, the app won't appear in the channel store. Roku uses your IP address and initial setup location to determine your region, so even if you're physically in the US, an incorrect setting can cause this issue. This primarily affects new Roku setups, users who have relocated, or those who purchased their device overseas. Spectrum's licensing agreements make the app unavailable outside the United States. In this video, we will show you how to fix this issue. To fix the Spectrum TV app not showing on Roku, start by checking your current region settings. Go to Roku Settings, then System, then About. Look for the country setting. It should say United States. If the country is not set to United States, you'll need to perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions and select United States when prompted during the initial setup. After the reset, the Spectrum TV app should now be visible in the Roku channel store. Ensure your Roku is connected to a US-based internet connection and not a VPN set to a non-US location. Also, make sure you have an active Spectrum TV subscription, as the app won't function without one.